Big-time bucket. He's got 30 points, 10 rebounds. Here comes play on power. Yes! Throwing it down! Timeout, Brooklyn!
There we go! Play in the D to wrap this, force another turnover. They turn him over 18 more times. Hello, Norman Powell!
Brunson throws it up ahead. Kleba to Porzingis from half court. What was a really difficult first 11 minutes and 59 seconds. But at the buzzer, Porzingis, a launch from near half court with the smooth.
Tyus Jones, and the Grizzlies going to stop. Good hustle and effort by Tyus Jones. BC down the lane. Oh, what an explosion by Brandon Clark.
Watch this, partner. I mean, this is just, come get some. Look at this. Mahimi, what are you doing? What are you doing, Mahimi?
Coming back is DeRozan in a ferocious jam.
I mean, you don't really to DeMar DeRozan has been a tremendous athlete.
It's a free lane for DeMar, and he takes off and just throws it all down.
Hand off Gary Harris. Come underneath, and he scoops it up and in on the reverse.
Gary Harris, who just made this wonderful Dr. J drive.
Lowry, small one on him, backing in, couldn't do anything with it. Zach trying to turn the corner, fires the shot, got it, and a foul. Tough shot.
Here it is right here. And Robinson goes up in the air. Zach takes the contact.
And Doc is letting Robinson have an earful.
It was a nice play by Zach Levine.
Lowry now dribbling it across the timeline. Rhythm flow and oh! Drills it from Pond Inlet.
This is the play with Lowry. Where was the town? Pond Inlet, I think it was. Wow.
Doesn't get some time out of this game also.
Morant spins around and finishes past Bonga. Bruno Caboclo going to come in. D'Anthony Melton going to come into the game as well. And Dylan Brooks getting congratulations as well.
Oh, John Moranis. 5 o'clock early start. Murray up and under, off the glass. And he puts it away. Can't give yourself an assist, but that was done intentionally. Of course, Jokic has done that in the past. And some other players.
George. Dribbling mood, goes up, scores, it counts, and a foul.
Like a yo-yo on a string, and then got right by him. Boom. Foul, contact, and one.
Chance for a three-point play for Paul George. Paul George comes the other way, accelerates down the lane, shot good, and a foul. He was bumped off stride.
This drive right here, he goes right in the teeth of the defense, gets contact, and then steps through.
Pascal, short, and a long rebound. And taken down by Brooklyn. Caruso! Jack, how about that?
Here we go. Spicy Pete, get that garbage out of here.
They're shooting 4 for 16 to open the game, including 1 out of 9 from deep.
Boy, what a great defensive play by Hero to dig and recover on Seth like that.
Oh, and Leonard throws it down.
Turnovers in last night's game. And Miami was terrific. They scored 19 points off turnovers. Oh, Leonard with a crushing dunk. Oh, he took out the hammer.
2-point Suns lead, 7 seconds to go. DeRozan gets it and one.
Look at this, the contact from Bridges, the prayer.
Zach gives it to you.
Dunn flips it in. Zach driving, shot good, and a foul. He took it right at Harold.
He got hung up there, and Magruder didn't switch, and then Harold just comes over and just fouls. And that's a nice, strong, take the contact. Here it is right here. Harold comes over, boom, off the backboard.
White will throw it in. Finding Aldridge. Hand off to Mills. The hot shooter gets it to go. 0.3 seconds to play.
He's been knocking down jumpers all day. Where? Right at the foul line area. Patty Mills.